Hold on.
She's coming here about 3 times now. Gone back. I said, I was like, ooh.
Alright, well, thank you for the water. Yeah. Yeah, you too. I'm just gonna sip my water.
That's racist.
Yeah. Are you guys leaving?
That's racist.
Okay. So leave the store. Like I have that's not a joke.
Okay.
We understand the color of your skin. Like
Yes.
That's not a joke for you.
It's
Why
really-
would you joke about something like that?
Listen, yeah, thank you. And then you just like.
Just don't go into a business asking for their skill.
No,
and then
listen.
disrespecting them.
Okay, I was
Just
honestly.
This is what happens, okay?
Yeah, no, honestly, I was joking if they're watching, right?
No, I'm looking at you and your face.
And I'm looking at you. I can't see him. You handed me the water, so like, oh, I was about to say thank you. I didn't even.
Guy right there is staring
Well,
at
listen,
you.
I-
So how about you tell your friends to stop making fun of the employees that are trying to deal with you?
Listen, man, like I said before, I can't control. I'm not looking at them to see.
You can-
I mean, I asked for the water.
Yeah, but your friends don't look like they're leaving.
I understand. Did you have a bad day?
That's a
No,
crazy
you didn't
message.
have a bad day. Had a great day. Did
Oh,
you
you
have a bad day?
No.
Okay,
here's
well
the
then you
props.
can either get your water and leave, or you're disrespectful to us. You were very loud, you were watching us. We can see you guys stare at us and laugh at us, and you know, it's not, we're just doing our job. No, like, it wasn't a joke that you asked for my till, and then
No, listen, for
disturbing us.
100%, I'm with you on that. No, 100%, I'm with you on that.
And then you sat there and you were very loud, and then lied to me. Can you get them to leave, please?
Sorry guys, you have to leave.
Oh, okay.